Hey everybody, it's David Bradley, training facilitator and coach with Grant Cardone. I got your Tuesday sales tip in under 2 minutes. Let's roll. Today's tip is for managers and people in a leadership position. Have you ever heard the phrase, living up to expectations? Make sure your people do that, meaning living up to your expectations. Do not fall into the trap of labeling any of your people as lazy, uncommitted, a waste of time, a waste of talent, or they will live down to your expectations. Push your people to be great, to be the best version of themselves while they're on your clock, and give them the tools and necessary resources to be great. And this has been your Tuesday sales tip in under 2 minutes. Speaking of being great, for more information and tools, that is, for more information about our brand new coaching program within Cardone University, head on over to cardonesolutions.com/coaching, cardonesolutions.com/coaching. That's cardonesolutions.com/coaching. And be great, because nothing else pays. See you soon.